Hi dear friends, welcome to all. In this video we are going to see how to configure IPv6 recursive static routes. Well, here we are going to use three routers, 1941, then three switches, 2960, then the end device, PCs. Now we will rename these devices. Here we have R1, this is S1, here we have PC1, this is R2, here we have S2, and this is PC2, this is R3, this is S3, and this is PC3. Now we will connect these devices. Coming to connections, copper straight through from R1 G0/0 to S1 G0/1, then from S1 FA0/1 to PC1, then from R2 G0/0 to S2 G0/1, then from S2 FA0/1 to this PC2, coming to R3 G0/0 to S3 G0/1, then from S3 FA0/1 to PC3. Now we will add a WAN interface card on these routers. Coming to R1, we will put it off, and we will add this serial high-speed WAN interface card. Then we will switch it on. Coming to R2, we will repeat the same steps. We have to switch it off. Coming to R3, right. Now we will connect these routers, serial DCE from R1 serial 0/0/0 to R2 serial 0/0/0, then from R2 serial 0/0/1 to R3 serial 0/0/1. We will label all the ports we used here. So here we connected to G0/0 on this router R1. On this R2 also G0/0. Then on this R3, this switch is connected to G0/0. Here we connected to serial 0/0/0. Other end on R2 also connected to serial 0/0/0. Then this side, it's a serial 0/0/1. Then the other end also we connected to a serial 0/0/1. Here we have total 5 networks. We will highlight those networks so that the configuration will be more easy. We will use this color for network 1. Here we can see our network 1. Here we can see our second network. And here we can see our third network. We have 2 more networks that also we will highlight. Here we can see our fourth network. In between these routers R1 and R2. And here we can see our fifth network. In between these routers R2 and R3. Here we can see all the networks and its network address we planned. For this network 1, we will give a 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 10 double colon slash 64. Then for network 2, we will give 20 double colon slash 64. Then for network 3, here we can see we planned 30 double colon slash 64. Then for network 4, we will give 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon double a double colon slash 64. Then for network 5, double b double colon slash 64. First of all, we will configure a network 1, and here we can see the network address we planned for this network 1, 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 10 double colon slash 64. Here we can see the IPv6 address details. For this device PC1, we will set 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 10 double colon 10 slash 64. Then for this interface G0 slash 0, we will set 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 10 double colon 1 slash 64. Also, we will set the link local address for this router R1 as fe80 double colon 1. That will be the default gateway for all the devices in this network. First of all, we will assign IPv6 address for this device PC1. Coming to PC1 desktop IP configuration, and here we can see IPv6 address. Here we will give a 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 10 double colon 10. Also, we will set the prefix as 64. And here we can see the default gateway, IPv4 gateway. We will give fe80 double colon 1. Now we will do it on this router R1 for this interface G0 slash 0. Coming to R1 CLI. Would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? No. Enable configure terminal. We will set the host name as R1. Now we will go to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0 slash 0, and we will set the IPv6 address fe80 double colon 1. We will set this as a link local. Also, we will set IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 10 double colon 1 slash 64. This is the global unicast address. Now we will give a no-shut command. Copy running config, startup config, and now we will verify the configuration. Show running config, and here we can see the interface gigabit Ethernet 0 slash 0, and here we can see link local address, and here we can see the global unicast address, and no IPv4 address set. Now we will verify the connectivity in this network 1. We will ping from PC1 to this router R1 interface G0 slash 0. Command prompt, here we will ping to fe80 double colon 1, and here we can see we are getting the replies. Now we will configure this network 2, and here we can see the IPv6 network address we planned for this network 2. It's 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 20 double colon slash 64. Here we can see IPv6 address details. For this device PC2, we will set 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 20 double colon 10 slash 64. Then for this interface G0 slash 0 on this router R2, we will set 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 20 double colon 1 slash 64. First of all, we will assign IPv6 address for this device PC2. Coming to PC2 desktop IP configuration, here is IPv6 address. It's a 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon 20 double colon 10. Also, we will set the prefix as 64. And coming to IPv6 gateway, here we will give fe80 double colon 2. Now we will assign IPv6 address for this interface G0/0 on this router R2. Coming to R2 CLI, no, enable configure terminal. We will set the host name as R2. Then we will go to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, and here we will set the IPv6 address FE80:2 as a link local. Also we will set IPv6 address 20.1/80:20:1/64. We will give no shut command here. Copy running config, startup config. Now we will verify the configuration. Show running config, and here we can see the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Now IPv4 address. Here we can see IPv6 link local address, and here we can see IPv6 global unicast address. Also we can give the show command, show IPv6 interface brief, and here we can see the status of this interface G0/0. We can see protocol and status, both are up. Also here we can see IPv6 address details. Now we will verify the connectivity. We will ping from PC2 to this router R2. Coming to PC2 command prompt, ping to FE80:2, and here we can see we are getting the replies. Now we will configure network 3. Here we can see IPv6 network address we planned for this network 3. It's a 2001:db8:AC80:30:64. Here we can see IPv6 address details for these devices in this network 3. So for this PC3 we will set 2001:db8:AC80:30:10/64. Then for this interface G0/0 on this router R3, we will set 2001:db8:AC80:30:1/64. Also we will set the link local address as FE80:3. First of all we will assign IPv6 address for this device PC3. Coming to PC3 desktop IP configuration, and here we can see IPv6 address 2001:db8:AC80:30:10, and here we will give the prefix, it's 64, and here we can see IPv6 gateway FE80:3. Now we will assign IPv6 address for this interface G0/0 in this router R3. Coming to R3 CLI, no, enable configure terminal. We will set the host name as R3. Now we will go to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, and here we will set the IPv6 address FE80:3 as a link local address. Also we will set the global unicast IPv6 address 2001:db8:AC80:30:1/64, and we will give no shut command. Copy running config, startup config. We will verify the configuration, show running config, and here we can see that interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Now IPv4 address, IPv6 link local address. Also here we can see IPv6 global unicast address. Show IPv6 interface brief, and here we can see the status of this interface. Now we will verify the connectivity. We will ping from PC3 to this router R3. ping to FE80:3, and here we can see we are getting the replies. Next we will configure a network 4, and here we can see IPv6 network address for this network 4 2001:TB8:AC80:AA:/64. Here we can see IPv6 address details. For this interface serial 0/0/0 on the server R1, we will set 2001:TB8:AC80:AA:/64. Then for this interface serial 0/0/0 on the server R2, we will set 2001:TB8:AC80:AA:/64. First of all, we will do it on the server R1. Enable configure terminal. We will go to that interface serial 0/0/0, and here we will set IPv6 address FE80:1 as a link local. Also we will set IPv6 address 2001:DB8:AC80:AA:/64, and we will give a no-shut command. Copy running config, startup config. We will verify the configuration, show running config, and here we can see the interface serial 0/0/0, and here we can see the link local address, also a global unicast IPv6 address. Now we will do it on the server R2. Enable configure terminal. We'll go to the interface serial 0/0/0, and here we will set IPv6 address FE80:2 as a link local. Also IPv6 address 2001:DB8:AC80:AA:B/64. Now shut down. Copy running config, startup config. We can verify the configuration, show running config, and here we can see the interface serial 0/0/0. Here we can see IPv6 link local address. Here we can see global unicast IPv6 address. We will give a show IPv6 interface brief, and here we can see the status of this interface. Protocol and status are up. Here we can see the link between the routers R1 and R2 is up. Now we will verify the connectivity. We will ping from R1 to this router R2. Coming to R1, ping to 2001:DB8:AC80:AA:B, and here we can see success rate is 100%. Now we will configure a network 5, and here we can see IPv6 network address for this network 5 2001:DB8:AC80:BB:/64, and here we can see IPv6 address details for this interface serial 0/0/1 on this router R2. We will set 2001:DB8:AC80:BB:/64. Then for this interface serial 0/0/1 on this router R3, we will set 2001:DB8:AC80:BB:/64. First of all, we will do it on this router R2. CLI. We will go to that interface, that is serial 0/0/1, and here we will set IPv6 address FE80:2 as a link local address. IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon double b double colon a / 64 as a global unicast address. No shutdown. Copy running config, startup config. Now we will do it on this router R3. Interface serial 0/0/1. IPv6 address FE80:3 as a link local. IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon bb double colon b / 64. No shutdown. Copy running config, startup config, and we will verify the configuration. Show running config, and here we can see the interface serial 0/0/1. Here we can see IPv6 link local address. Here we can see IPv6 global unicast address. No IPv4 address. Also we can give a show IPv6 interface brief, and here we can see each interface status. Here we can see serial 0/0/1 protocol and status up. Now we will verify the connectivity. We will ping from this router R3 to R2. Ping to 2001 colon db8 colon ac80 colon double b double colon a, and here we can see success rate is 100%. In this topology, total we can see 5 networks. Considering this router R1, it has 2 directly connected networks and 3 remote networks. And considering this router R2, it has 3 directly connected networks and 2 remote networks. And considering this router R3, it has 2 directly connected networks and 3 remote networks. We can verify directly connected networks on each routers R1, R2 and R3. Coming to R1, show IP route. Sorry, we have to give a show IPv6 route, and here we can see 2 directly connected networks. Now we will go to R2, show IPv6 route, and here we can see 3 directly connected networks. One, here is second one, and here is the third one. And coming to R3, show IPv6 route. Here we can see 2 directly connected networks. Before coming to recursive static routes, we have to enable IPv6 routing on all these routers R1, R2 and R3. First of all, we will do it on this router R1. Enable configure terminal. Here we have to give IPv6 unicast routing. Now we'll do it on this router R2. Enable configure terminal IPv6 unicast routing, and coming to R3, enable configure terminal IPv6 unicast routing. Now we are going to configure IPv6 recursive static routes on these routers R1, R2 and R3. Here we are going to configure an IPv6 recursive static route to every network not directly connected to this router R1. We can see those networks, network 2, network 3 and network 5. We will check the IPv6 network address for these networks. Here we can see for the network 2 it's ACAD colon 20 double colon slash 64. Then for network 3 it's 30 double colon slash 64, and for network 5 it's double B double colon slash 64. And here we can see the next hop address, that will be the IPv6 address of this interface, so serial 0/0/0 on this router R2. Coming to this router R1, CLI, configure terminal. Here we are going to give IPv6 root. Now we have to give IPv6 a prefix, that is 2001 colon db8 colon ACAD. We have a colon 20 double colon slash 64. Then now we are going to give IPv6 address of next hop. Here is that. We need only that IPv6 address. Now we will give the second root, IPv6 root. It's network 3, so we have to give it 2001 colon db8 colon ACAD colon 30 double colon slash 64. Then the IPv6 address of next hop, same what we given previously, right? Now we will give the next remote network, IPv6 root 2001 colon db8 colon ACAD colon double B double colon slash 64. Then the IPv6 address of next hop, here is that. Copy running config, startup config, and now we will verify the routing table of this router R1. Show IPv6 root, and here we can see those statically configured routes. Here we can see one, here is the second one, and here we can see the third one. Now we will do it on this router R2. R2 has two remote networks, so we can see those networks, network 1 and network 3. Here we can see the IPv6 network address of these networks. Network 1 it's ACAD colon 10 double colon slash 64, and for network 3 it's ACAD colon 30 double colon slash 64. Here the next hop address for this network 1 will be the IPv6 address of this interface, so serial 0/0/0 on this router R1. And for this network, that is network 3, the next hop address will be the IPv6 address of this interface, serial 0/0/1 on this router R3. So we have to configure accordingly. First of all, we will configure this remote network, that is network 1, and here we can see the IPv6 address of this interface, serial 0/0/0 on this router R1. It's a 2001 colon db8 colon ACAD colon double A double colon A slash 64. So coming to this router R2, enable configure terminal. Here we will give IPv6 root. Here we will give a 2001 colon db8 colon AC, it's db8 colon ACAD colon 1, so it's 10 double colon slash 64. Then we have to give IPv6 address of next hop. Here is that, right? Now we will configure for this network, that is network 3. Here we can see the next hop address for this network, that is the IPv6 address of this interface, serial 0/0/1 on this router R3. Here we can see that IPv6 address, it's 2001 colon db8 colon ACAD colon double B double colon B slash 64. So coming to this router R2, here we will give IPv6 root 2001 colon db8 colon ACAD colon 30 double colon slash 64. Then we have to give IPv6 address of next hop. Here is that. Copy running config, startup config. Now we will verify the configuration of this router R2. Enable show IPv6 root, and here we can see those two static routes. Here is one, and here we can see the second one. Now we will do it on this router R3. So here for this router R3, the remote networks are network 1, network 2, and network 4. Also here the next hop address for these networks will be the IPv6 address of this interface serial 0/0/1 on this router R1. We can see that IPv6 address here 2001 colon db8 colon ACAD colon BB colon A. Coming to the configuration of this router R3. Enable configure terminal IPv6 root. First we will give the network 1 IPv6 address. It's 2001 colon db8 colon ACAD colon 10 double colon slash 64. And now we will give IPv6 address of next hop. It's a 2001 colon db8 colon ACAD colon BB double colon A. Now we will give the next remote network IPv6 root 2001 colon db8 colon ACAD colon 20 double colon slash 64 2001 colon db8 colon ACAD colon BB double colon A. And coming to the next network, remote network IPv6 root 2001 colon db8 colon ACAD colon AA double colon slash 64. Then the IPv6 address of next hop 2001 colon db8 colon ACAD colon BB double colon A. Copy running config, startup config. We will verify the configuration on this router R3. Show IPv6 root, and here we can see those three networks we configured. Here is one, here we can see the second one, and here we can see the third one. So here we configured IPv6 or recursive static routes on all these routers R1, R2, and R3. Now these networks are ready to communicate. So we will ping from PC1 to PC2 and from PC1 to PC3. Also we will ping from PC2 to PC3. We will get the IPv6 address of the device PC2. We will copy this IPv6 address. And coming to PC1, desktop, command prompt, we will ping to PC2, and here we can see we are getting the replies. Now we will ping to PC3, it's a 30 double colon 10, and here we can see we are getting the replies. Coming to PC2, we will ping to PC3, or we can ping from PC3 to PC2. Coming to PC3, desktop, command prompt, ping to PC2. Already we copied the IPv6 address of PC2. Here is that. We are getting the replies. Well, in this video we configured IPv6 or recursive static routes. Here we can see all the interface configurations we done on these routers R1, R2 and R3. Here we can see the configurations on R1. Here we can see the configuration on R2. And here we can see the configuration on R3. Here we can see the show commands we used in this video. Also here we can see the configuration of IPv6 or recursive static routes. This is for the router R1. This is for R2. And here we can see for the router R3. Friends, if you have any doubt regarding configuring IPv6 or recursive static routes, please comment below. Also, if you like my video, give a thumb and share with your friends. Friends, we will have a lot of basic videos in future, so consider subscribing. Stay tuned. Thank you.